Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry kofta. First, gather your fresh ingredients like ground meat, a variety of spices, and aromatic vegetables. Next, prepare the kofta mixture by combining the meat with finely chopped onions, ginger, garlic, and a blend of spices. Ensure the mixture is well seasoned and binds together properly. Finally, form the mixture into uniform, bite-sized balls, ready for cooking. Once your kofta balls are formed, it's time to cook them. You can either pan-fry them in a little oil until they are golden brown on all sides and cooked through, or bake them in an oven. The goal is to get a nice crust and ensure they are firm. Once cooked, carefully remove them from the pan and set them aside. This keeps them intact for the next step. Now, let's build that incredible curry sauce. Start by sautéing finely chopped onions, ginger, and garlic in a pan until they are soft and wonderfully fragrant. Next, add your chosen blend of aromatic spices, cooking them for about 1 minute to release their flavors. Finally, stir in crushed tomatoes and a liquid like broth or coconut milk to create a rich, simmering base for your kofta. Once the kofta are cooked and the sauce is simmering, gently add the kofta to the curry. Allow them to simmer together for about 10 to 15 minutes, letting the flavors meld beautifully. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot with rice or naan. This dish is truly a delight. By the way, for an even easier cleanup after cooking, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.